Hey, Pope, paint that for me one time.
Good morning, my name is Whitney McGinniss and I am the school board member for District 2. I'm here this morning at Fernbank Science Center where we are doing our Spring Science of Sounds event. We've got activities for the whole family, planetarium show, but also this is your opportunity if you want to speak with me. Also, we have Commissioner Ted Terry and Commissioner Michelle Long-Spears. So we're just here engaging with the community to find out if they're, what the needs are, how we can help, and sharing information about district news and also what's going on in the county as a whole.
Well, today we are partnering with school board member Whitney McGinniss, who is one of our amazing school board members. I'm a county commissioner, so we're talking about schools, the community, DeKalb County, how we can work together. And it's a listening session, so we've already been talking with one of our residents about access to parks and trails and schools in general. So it's already been a really great day, and just so thankful to be here at Fernbank, which is an amazing DeKalb County school system facility that just really serves all DeKalb County residents, but also folks, all over the state come here, which is really exciting.
I really and truly appreciate Fernbank Science Center and school member McGinniss for inviting myself, Michelle Long-Spears, District 2 Commissioner, as well as Commissioner Ted Terry to talk to our constituents today. And I understand that there's a lot of needs in our school system, and parents and children alike have questions. They want to find out what's going on, how can we improve their education and their education journey.